Okay, we're going to be installing the Airlux air suspension package. And this shaved my hair last night. Crazy mother. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, get grinding.
Clean cuts, eh? Clean cuts. Look at that precision.
Okay guys, so I got these sleeves machined down by about 1 millimeter. So now it is actually fitting into the lower control arm, so we can put the front suspension in. Always flip and do this. I put bricks under the front wheels thinking that it would be high enough to get the jack out, but now the jack is stuck. Damn! Gonna have to get the scissor jack out and do it one side at a time. Maybe put more bricks under, but at least the front is looking fresh. I don't know how we're gonna fix the rear. The rear is a little bit high in my opinion. Okay guys, a quick little update. It's been a while since we worked on this, but Bless grinded the bump stops off just to see if that would help. It did help a little bit. This side is definitely a little bit lower than that side, but definitely not low enough. So you can see in that previous video that the bag is completely squashed and it's sitting flush on the top and the bottom. This is the lowest that the car will go. So I'm going to speak to Justin from Hoodlum Fabrications and hopefully he can come. He's going to put a thread through so we can screw the shock on the top, and then we can bolt the shock on the bottom, the airbag on the bottom, and screw it in on the top, so the airbag will stay there and it won't pop out or something stupid. Now we're going to start running the Airlines, get them into position. We're going to connect the air system to the battery. I'm so keen to do carbon stuff. I'm so keen to do engine stuff. I'm so keen to do paint stuff. But we have to finish the air suspension and get this thing rolling. But it's going to get there. It's going to get there. What brand of safety shoes are those, my bro?
It's macro.
Macro.
No.
Steel tipped.
No. I was there a few weeks ago and I bought one for my fro and one for me. And I just used them for work because it's so thick soled and it's warm. You check.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, this is the bag. So to get it low, we're having a problem because obviously it had this big casing on it. So Justin from Hoodlum Fabrications came and he cut this off, which obviously dropped the car by that much. So it's sitting a lot better. And then he welded a nut in the body and put this threaded bar on. So now we can screw it into the actual body of the car, so it's mounted at the top. Then we've got these rubbers, so the one rubber is going to go on the top, obviously, so it's not metal on metal on the chassis. And then we've got the one rubber on the bottom. And then as you can see, we also got this bolt, which then just bolts straight into the bottom, so that the air suspension is actually mounted and it's not going to pop out or something stupid. So now once we've bolted it in, it's not going nowhere. So I'm really stoked that we've done this because it was worrying me, because I think some guys just leave the bags in like loose. But I'm so glad we've done this, because when we are, sourcing the car, at least I'll have peace of mind that the bag isn't going to pop out or something stupid. So we almost ready. We're just waiting for Tristan. Just waiting for you, my bro. Shit, how long is it going to take for you to get here, bud? Flippin' hell, bro. We want to see this thing on the floor. Bagged. Rolling. Yeah, we're making progress. Yeah, no, fuck guys, I can't do this, I can't do this, bro. Shit. It needs to grow. Heads it was.